Welcome to zooplay.com. Now we are going to have a look at the demonstration video of Handy for All, which is one of the products of Zooplay. Now we are having a look at the home page of Handy for All. Now we are having a look at the dashboard cum admin panel made for our clients. This is meant for service owners, both for users and taskers management services as well as report management. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how the backend would look like to our service owner. The dashboard allows the admin to have an overall view of number of users, taskers, tasks and categories. We have also integrated all the details of recent tasks like booking ID, user, tasker and its status along with the action column. We have also integrated a list of unverified taskers and recent users. This list can also be seen as a notification that appears on the top right corner of the page. Once we click on this page, the admin has the list of all the recent unverified taskers. Also, beside this, we have a handy drop-down menu wherein the admin can view his profile, visit the site, go to the settings section and also log out. Next, we move on to the administrators. The administrators consist of the admin list and the sub-admin list. The admin list has details of the main business owner. The admin can add n number of partners to his business which appears under the sub-admin list. The admin can add, edit and delete the sub-admin details. Once the admin clicks on the edit button, he is provided with the list of the sub-admin wherein he can add the sub-admin and limit the access of the sub-admin. Next, we move on to the users list. User is a client who requests for the task to be done. Admin can edit and add a new user. The users list is aggregated with all the information of users like name, email, last login, so the business can use it for push notifications and follow-up. We know that team and performance management is important, and to solve this problem, the admin panel provides a bunch of solutions related to the taskers. This will lead us to the taskers list. Taskers are people who perform the task requested by the user. The admin can edit and add new taskers. Here, the admin can have the overall view of number of taskers, number of pending taskers, number of verified and unverified taskers. Once we click on the edit option, the admin can view detailed view of a tasker. He can also update the status of a tasker. In the add new tasker, admin can edit the general information, security, about, the category in which the tasker wants to work in and his availability time. Next, we move on to the review section. Review is an important part of business as it helps the business grow with the help of various suggestions provided by the users and taskers. In Handy for All, the review section is integrated with the review, who reviewed, whether the reviewer is a user or a tasker, and all these fields can be edited and deleted at a click of a button. Tasks. This section consists of overall view of number of tasks performed, the ongoing, completed and cancelled tasks. We have also integrated the booking ID, user, tasker and its status along with the action column, which leads us to the detailed description of the status of the tasks, the user details and the tasker details. Next, we move on to the cancellation reason. This section consists of predefined reasons of cancellation of a task along with the type of customer, if he is a user or a tasker. The admin can add or delete a reason as per his choice. Now we move on to the earnings section. This section describes the earnings of the admin. For the overall understanding, we have included the bill cycle. We have also aggregated the name of the tasker, the total number of tasks performed by him, the total amount earned for all those tasks, the coupon amount if present, service tax applied for all those tasks, followed by the grand total. The site earnings are also shown here, followed by the tasker's earning, which excludes the admin commission. The overall detail of each tasker can be seen once the view button is clicked. Next, we move on to the Pages tab. In the All Pages tab, the admin can manage all the static pages which are displayed at the footer of the site. The admin can edit and delete a static page. Also, he can add a new static page. Followed by this is the slider. The All slider in this slider consists of the banner image which is present below the header of the site. The slider can be edited and deleted. As usual, we can also add a new slider. This is followed by the Images tab. The images consist of background image and the tasker sign up image which is present in the sign up and login page in the site. Background image is present on the tasker profile page. Next we have is the email template. The email template allows you to customize the formatting and text of emails sent to the users. The email template has a set of predefined email lists which will be triggered at the respective events to both users and taskers. The admin can also add a new email template as well as edit the existing one with a click of a button. Now, categories section. The categories has two types, the main category and the subcategory. Each main category can consist of n number of subcategories. The main category consists of the name of the category, the image and the status which can be published and unpublished by the admin, followed by the action column. Next, we have the subcategories. In the subcategory, we have the name of the category followed by the category image. Then comes the parent, which is the main category which the subcategory belongs to, the status which can again be published and unpublished by the admin, followed by the action column. Once the edit button is clicked, the admin can edit the subcategory, its name, the page slug, the main category name, the image of the subcategory. Also, the admin can set the minimum hourly rate for that subcategory along with the status. Next, we have the coupon code. Like a good catchy tune, a good coupon code has the opportunity to stay in the eyes, ears and mind of a potential user. Coupon code can be edited and deleted by the admin. We can also add various new coupon codes. Next, we move on to the push notification. This lets your application notify a user and tasker of new messages or events even when the user is not actively using your application. The push notification can be sent to the user, tasker, and also the admin is allowed to add a new push notification. Followed by which we have the FAQ section. The FAQ stands for frequently asked questions, where the admin is allowed to add new questions and write appropriate answers for these questions. We can also edit and delete the existing questions. Next, we have the experience section. The experience section describes the type of experience the taskers have. It can be fresher, mid-level or expert. This can be edited and deleted by the admin as he can add new type of experience for his own task. Now we move on to the question management. Question management has a list of questions. The admin is allowed to put a new list of questions. This appears in the profile section of the tasker. Next, we have the post header management. The post header management appears just below the search field of the home page. The admin can edit and delete the existing list, or he can add a new post header. Note, only maximum of 3 post headers could be added in the site. Next, we have the tools. This allows the admin to export data regarding the task, tasker, and user. The admin has to select the data they require and click on export. All the files relating to that data will be exported. Now we move on to the backbone of the website, which is settings section. To the backbone of the website, the settings section. In this settings section, we have the general settings wherein the admin can enter the site title, the email address, the site URL, the admin commission, the minimum amount he wants for all the tasks, and the service tax followed by the billing cycle. This billing cycle consists of the number of days within which the transaction between the tasker and the admin has to take place. Then we can add the logo for our site. Next, we have the wallet, cache, and referral settings. Here, these options can be enabled or disabled by the admin. In the wallet settings, the admin can add the minimum and maximum amount, and in the referral settings, he can edit the referral amount and the referral amount. Next, we have the SEO settings. In the SEO settings, the admin can enter the SEO title and keywords. After which, we have the widgets. In the widgets, this is reflected in the footer of the home page. Here, the admin can add and edit the widgets as per their choice, followed by which there is the SMTP settings, SMS, and then we have the social networks. In the social networks, the admin can add the URL links he wants for his site, and then he can enter the API for Facebook. Next, we have the currencies. In the currencies section, we have aggregated the name of the currency, its code, symbol, and then the user can click on the star and make any of the listed currencies as default, followed by the status. The admin can also add, edit, and delete any currency with a click of a button. In the language section, we can set any language for our website. Also, we can add a new language, edit, manage, and delete the languages. Next, we go to the newsletter. In the newsletter, the user is selected by the admin, and then he can click on the select template wherein he can select any of the listed templates and click on send. This will send mail to all the selected subscribers, followed by which we have the payment gateway. We have the payment gateway which consists of the PayPal, Stripe payment wherein we can edit the payment gateway, and followed by which is the contact us. Here the name of the person, the email address, mobile, and the subject is reflected. The admin can view the complete details of, of the user and delete if he wants to. Thank you for watching the video. For further details, kindly contact us at zooplay.com.